Hello everyone, welcome back to Big Frog's 4x4. Today's episode, we're going to be installing vent visors by AVS for the Chevy Colorado ZR2. Now I've taken them out of the package and laid them up on the dash in the sun so they could get warmed up a bit. That way they're a little bit more pliable and stuff to be able to put them on the window channels. The kit comes with 4 alcohol swabs, a Scotch-Brite, and channels for the front and rear windows, left and right. On the back of mine, they are marked with an L after the part number. So it's 194995L. The ones for the right side would be the same with an R afterwards. And that way you know that you have the right one for the right side. Not they'll only really fit one side. But you want to make sure that you have 2 L's and 2 R's, that they didn't get packaged in properly before you start to apply them. Next thing you want to do is you want to test fit them before you clean anything up. Just make sure everything's molded properly and it's going to follow the channels properly. Now your next step, to make sure your window's down, of course, you're going to take your Scotch-Brite pad that they got into the kit, and you want to run that on the inside where your new vent visor attaches. And what that does is it basically just scuffs up that rubber seal so that the adhesive backing tape on that will stick to it better. It won't be a real smooth surface it sticks to. It gives it something to bite into. It also helps clean the dirt off. You can see the dirt that's on there and a little bit of the rubber dust from scuffing it up. Now they give you 4 alcohol wipes, 1 for each window vent. You tear it apart, tear open the wipe, you clean the vent with the alcohol wipe. Now remove any oils and any of the excess dirt that's on there. Okay, once you have the window channel all clean with your alcohol wipe, recheck this again just to make sure it all fits. Then you want to peel off all of this protective or the adhesive backing. Okay. Now once you have all of that red adhesive backing stuff peeled off, you want to gently place it into the windows here. You want to keep it away from the seal. Keep it pushed against the inner seal. Come up to the middle and then come in the inside and press against the inside of the door window here. That way it's pressed into place. Come all the way down to the front and do the same thing. Once that's all temporarily in place, you want to turn the key on, put your window up, and make sure you hold this up in place as the window goes up. Okay, once you get the window up into place and pressing against the visor here, I found that it wasn't putting enough tension with the visor against the inner seal for it to adhere to it. So I ripped up pieces of the box, the cardboard, and shoved it between the window and the visor to put extra pressure on it to the outside. I'll leave that in there for maybe an hour or so and pull them out and see if it was going to stick enough. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, like the video. God bless.